If you've made a payment through Gmail and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to ensure you complete the process correctly. Step 1. Access your Gmail account. Log into your Gmail account where the transaction occurred. Make sure you have access to the email associated with the payment. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Find the email confirmation or receipt related to the payment you want to refund. This email typically contains details about the transaction, including the amount and the date. Step 3. Identify the refund policy. Check the refund policy of the service or product you purchased. This information can usually be found on the seller's website or in the confirmation email. Understanding the policy will help you know your rights in the process. Step 4. Contact the seller. Reach out to the seller or service provider directly. Use the contact information provided in the confirmation email or their official website. Clearly explain your situation and request a refund, providing any necessary details. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a few days, follow up with the seller. Keep records of all communications for future reference. If necessary, escalate the issue through any available customer service channels. By following these steps, you can effectively request a refund for your payment made through Gmail. Good luck!